নমস্কার, ওয়েলকাম টু মৌ প্রিন্টস। আপনারা দেখছেন মৌ প্রিন্টস মনের মতো শাড়ি, যে শাড়ি আপনাদের বানায় সম্পূর্ণ নারী, সেই শাড়ি নিয়ে মৌ আপনাদের কাছে। Today I am going to show beautiful Katan silk साड़ी. Most of the sarees are marbley Katan silk साड़ी और उसके ऊपर हैंड ब्लॉक प्रिंट का काम हुआ है. As I show sarees, I will be describing all sarees. Listen to the video very carefully and watch the video so that you can quickly choose whichever you like from this video. We are offering for online and offline sale. Online number is 9831575641 and address is 6E Keatola Lane, Kolkata 29. This is the first saree of the day which I am wearing. This saree is beautifully done, crafted saree, hand block printed one, black and white combination, alpona motif, paisley design पे बनी हुई है. This is the pallu area of the sari and that's how the whole sari is. As the sari is black and white combination, so there is no blouse piece of the sari. You can wear along with black, grey or white color blouse. 5.5 meter sari, pure silk sari है, mulberry katan silk sari. Feel and fall is very good, light in weight. In case you like to take the sari, take a screenshot, send it to us, we'll tell you availability and the price. The next one, mulberry katan silk sari, bright yellow and black combination, beautiful sari. In case you like to take the sari, please have a look, take a screenshot of the sari and send it to us. We'll tell you availability and the price. This sari is having blouse piece showing the sari. This is how the beautiful sari looks like. Beautiful one. The entire sari I am showing you. Bright yellow and black combination. This is the pallu area of the sari. This is also having very Indianized alpona motif throughout the sari. This is how the pallu area, as you can see, the alpona motif, the very famous alpona motif. This part is done with white on yellow and this is the black combination with yellow or kacha holud color. 9831575641 is our number and address is 6E Keatola Road, Kolkata 29. See the drapability of it. It's really beautiful butterfall. That's how the sari looks like. It comes along with blouse piece, 5.5 meter sari, and this is the blouse piece you are getting along with the sari. अगर आपको ये साड़ी अच्छा लगे, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए, भेज दीजिए. Of course we'll tell availability and the price. The next saree, পরে যে শাড়িটা দেখাচ্ছি, this is a beautiful one. This is a tasar silk saree. This is not mulberry silk. This is a tasar silk saree. tasar के ऊपर Indianized motif और alpona motif पे काम हुआ है. This is how the beautiful saree is. Red, black and white combination. This is how the pallu area of the saree and the whole saree exactly looks like this. Comes along with blouse piece. 5.5 meter sari comes along with 1 meter of blouse piece. Blouse piece का हाथ पे भी ये डिज़ाइन आपको मिलेगा. अगर ये साड़ी, ये कॉम्बिनेशन आपको अच्छा लगे, स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भेज दीजिए. Of course we'll tell you availability and the price of the sari. Moving to the next one, mulberry katan silk sari, beautiful fall and beautifully crafted sari, hand block printed one. Let me show the entire sari so that you can come to know how the sari looks like once you wear it. It has the basic color, white zamin के ऊपर block print किया गया है. That's how the sari looks like. This is the pallu area of the sari and this is how the whole sari is. Beautiful one, ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে, and it has a very bold statement as well. It has Ganga Yamuna border. One side is black and one side is red, and this is how the sari is. You are getting a blouse piece which is red in color. लुक एट द फॉल ऑफ द साड़ी, देखते ही आपको अच्छा लगेगा. सैटिन फॉल साड़ी है ये एंड मलबेरी कातन इज द मटेरियल. This is the blouse piece you are getting along with the sari. Next one, পরের শাড়িটা দেখাচ্ছি मलबेरी कतान सिल्क साड़ी, ब्लैक इन कलर, उसके साथ टिल्ट ग्रे कलर की इसका जो बॉर्डर और पल्लू बनी हुई है. Let me show you the sari. Beautiful one, aesthetic with Indianized motif. This is how the pallu area of the sari, exactly the color, which color you are watching through video, the sari is exactly the same. See the motif of the sari, fall of the sari and the entire sari. It is just front of you. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे साड़ी चला जाएगा आपके पास. Take a screenshot, send it to us to know the price and availability. It has a running blouse piece which is black in color and that's how the whole sari looks like. Next one, পরের যে শাড়িটা দেখাচ্ছি. This is also a mulberry katan silk sari, beautifully done. Look at the beautiful sari. खूब सुंदर শাড়িটা দেখতে and red with brown combination, unusual combination पे बनी हुई है. Draping the sari. This sari is also having a very bold statement and done with geometric pattern which is giving a very smart look whoever is wearing the sari. This is the pallu area of the sari and the whole sari looks like this exactly. It has a blouse piece, 5.5 meter sari comes along with brown color blouse piece which is absolutely matching with the border. Next one, পরের শাড়িটাতে চলে যাচ্ছি. This is a tasar silk sari. इस पे भी differently डिज़ाइन बनी हुई है. Let me drape the sari. This is how the sari looks like. This is the blouse piece of the sari which is red in color and that's how the whole sari exactly looks like. Fall is beautiful, weight is minimalistic. This is how the pallu area of the sari and the whole sari is giving a very bold statement. In case you like to take the sari, please have a look, take a screenshot, send it to our number 9831575641 so that we can tell availability and the price. The next one, last sari for the day, last but not the least. This is also a tasar silk sari, beautiful green color. It is emerald green and it has beautiful kalamkari design, handcrafted one. This is the pallu of the sari and entire sari looks like this. Down section of the sari, this is the down border. बैलेंस रखने के लिए ये पोर्शन थोड़ा वाइट और ये पोर्शन नैरो बनाई गई है. That's how the sari is. ভালো লাগলে स्क्रीनशॉट नेबेन पाठाबेन. will tell you availability and the price. देखते रहिए मोर प्रिंट्स, मोनेर मतो साड़ी जो बनाए आपको संपूर्ण नारी. एथनिसिटी at par on all our sarees, but आप लोगों का चॉइस आपके ही हाथ पे है. अगर आपको पसंद आएगा तो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भेज दीजिए. प्राइस ऑन रिक्वेस्ट. वी विल इमीडिएटली रिप्लाई रिगार्डिंग प्राइस एंड अवेलेबिलिटी. जाते जाते फिर एक बार नंबर 9831575641. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Once you do so, you will be getting all notification and latest updates.